Hey there, my name is Tobin Carpenter and I'm a Kaseya consultant at ProVal Technologies. In today's video, I will be discussing a monitor set that will monitor the process Outlook.exe and let you know if the process stops. The principles taught in this video can be applied to any process that you may have need to monitor. First thing we need to do is we need to select the monitor module and select the monitor set function. I've gone ahead and created a folder that I'm going to place this into. But if you haven't, go ahead and do so to keep things organized. Select the folder and select New Monitor Set. On this page, we're going to give the monitor a name and a description. We'll do Outlook Monitor for both. Select Save. And on the next page, we have a couple options. Counter Thresholds, Services Check, Process Status. For the purpose of this, we're going to use Process Status. Let's select Add, and let's select our process from the dropdown. If you do not see your process in the dropdown, simply select Add Process, Add, put in the process name description, and select Save. This process dropdown will populate with more processes the more computers and more audits are completed within your environment. We can set a description if you'd like. And then for alarm on transition, we have two options, up or down. If you select up, you will get an alarm when that process begins. If you select down, you will get an alarm when that process ends. So let's select down. Ignore additional alarms for. This allows you, if it happens again within the next hour, 10 minutes, days, you can ignore it. So let's do 1 hour. And now what this monitor is going to do, it will create an alert if Outlook.exe, the process goes down, and it will not give you another alarm for an additional hour. Let's select Save. And let's close out our window. I'm going to go ahead and refresh our page. And let's ensure that the Outlook Monitor folder has our Outlook Monitor monitor. And let's check the settings of it. So there's our monitor that we just created. You can see there's no counter thresholds, no service checks, but there is a process status. The process that it's looking at, Outlook.exe, alarm on transition, 2 stands for down, and rearm after 1 hour. That does it for this video. Thanks for watching. We post new videos every week to share our knowledge on Kaseya, ConnectWise Automate, ConnectWise RMM, and more. Let us know what else you'd like to see, or if you have any questions, please leave your response in the comment section below, and please subscribe so you don't miss out on future content.